Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change Bixby to Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Side button, then tap on Long Press. From here, instead of Bixby, just select Google Assistant. Now if you cannot find the option of Google Assistant from here, just go back. Then go to Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone software is up to date. Now after you update the software of your smartphone, just go back to Advanced Features, then tap on Side button, and from here just tap on Long Press and select Digital Assistant from Google. Now once you do that, you will change Bixby to Google Assistant. And this is how you can change Bixby to Google Assistant on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.